Welcome, in front of me is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and today I'll show you how to change the power button functionality. So by default, you'll realize that when you're trying to turn off the phone using the power key, it doesn't give you that option. It launches the beloved Bixby. So if you want to remove it, like probably most other people, you can pull down the notification panel and you will find next to settings the power off option. Basically, they move the power feature from the button to the notification panel. So once you tap on it, you get the normal power off options. And from here, you have actually an additional setting, which is side key settings. Now they're calling the power key side key. So that's basically the name for it now. And from here, you can see that by default, you have Bixby and launch camera under double press. So we're going to start off by actually removing Bixby by bringing back the normal power off options. And now, if I would go out of here and hold the power key, you'll see that it brings, instead of Bixby, the normal power boot options. And also from here you can change the camera shortcut. So just as an example, when you lock the device and double press the camera button or the power button, it launches camera. And mind you that if you have a lock screen, it will still launch the camera, but if you leave it, you'll still need to unlock the device so no one can really access it. Now, if you if you change the double press for instance, a generic up, so you have the option to change it to open and up. And once you tap on a gear, you have a list of all the apps. So you could change it to something, let's say like a Chrome, or maybe not. Let's see, just choose Netflix for instance. And now if I would lock the device, oops, didn't press twice. There we go. It does this. So generic apps will always tell you to unlock the device, unfortunately. So if you try to launch it, you will need to confirm the pattern or whatever you have set, and then you will be able to launch the specific app. And you can also make it to launch the Bixby. So you can see open Bixby by double pressing. So those are all the options for the power key. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.